Hi, this is the Samsung Galaxy F54 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. To create a home screen folder, we got two ways. The first one, you could just hold for a while the application and select other applications which you want to create a folder, then tap on the right upper corner to create a folder, and that's it. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one. By this way, you could create also the new folder. If you wanna give here if you want to add here more applications, you could make it by another way. Just open the folder, tap here to plus icon and just select others, then just tap to done, and that's it. To give a name or rename the folder, just tap once on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps. To move folder here on the home screen or between the screens, you should just hold and drag it. If you want to remove the application from here, hold it and drag it to the home screen. If you want to stay with this app on the home screen, you could also tap here to this, tap to one from the applications just to hold it, click to select. You could remove these apps, or also you could create the new folder from this folder. You could also just remove only the application from here, and also if you want, you could remove the applications with the folder together just by hold and tap to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.